This is the part where I go and leave you wet in the rain. I know the things that I've done isn't really what you call great. This is the part where you cry, 'cause you won't see me again. And all the things that I've done isn't really what you call great. I can't breathe, I can't hear, I can't see when your eyes won't stop looking at me. And the words that you said last night, they will echo through my mind. Said they will echo through my mind. I can't breathe.
With the Teral Atilan show, I'm with Teral. It's the heels, I promise. But it was a really cute show. We really enjoyed it. My glasses look a bit wonky. What was your favourite piece?
Oh my god, I love the lilac dresses with frills.
Oh my god, I love the black and white one.
I just literally would wear everything.
I know.
Every single piece was to die for.
Yeah, we saw them taking them away and I was like, oh my god,
so nice.
should we take them? But yeah, so we're off to shoot now. We're going to try Somerset House, but I doubt they're going to let us, but we'll see. And welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today is day 2 of London Fashion Week. I completely forgot to intro this video. I'm doing it now, so it's fine. Today is day 2 of London Fashion Week. Yesterday was obviously day 1. So yesterday was quite hectic, but not in the sense of London Fashion Week, if that makes sense. I only went to one show, which was the Teral Atilan show, and I was so excited to go to that because it's like my first ever big Turkish designer. I am Turkish Cypriot, but I always have a soft spot for Turkish designers because just makes you feel really, really proud, especially at London Fashion Week, to see them showcasing their beautiful pieces, and the show was absolutely incredible, really nice. And then my friend Tanya was also there, so it was nice to catch up with her, took some photos together. It was Abide's birthday, so we went out in the evening, and that was all in my vlog that went up last week, so I'll link that down below if you're interested in seeing that. Today I am off to Beauty Bay. We have got a gifting lounge, I think, and then I am out shooting for the rest of the day with my cousin's fiance, who is a literally incredible filmographer. I will link her down below as well. She's insane, guys. Go and check her out. So we're going to be shooting a lookbook kind of thing on a couple of my outfits from London Fashion Week. Yeah, so we're going to be doing that, and then that is my day finished. Once that's done, I'm going to come home and edit my video to go out for tomorrow. Tomorrow is my cousin's baby's birthday. So I'm taking the day off London Fashion Week for that because life is too short to run around and become ill and cold for London Fashion Week when you've got a 2-year-old's birthday party that you can go and dress up as an animal. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow.
It could have been you and I, but we let this slip away. I only wish you could see that some things are not meant to be. Hey, I could have done so much more, trying to make this.
So I'm shooting with Layla today. Like I said, you guys, I've linked her down below, so make sure you go and follow her. She's an amazing photographer and videographer. We've just finished with our first shoot. We've come to Cafe Nero to A, get changed, and B, have something to drink and relax a little bit. It was a bit crazy, wasn't it, out there? Yeah, with all the photographers.
Yeah, it's a little bit intimidating.
Yeah, it's very daunting, especially if it's your first time.
Yeah, first time.
Crazy. Just off to go to Sophia Webster backstage, and I'm so excited. I've never been backstage before.
But I wish you could see that some things are not meant to be. I can't breathe, I can't hear, I can't see when your eyes won't stop looking at me. And the words that you said last night, they will echo through my mind. Said they will echo through my mind. I can't breathe, I can't hear, I can't see when your eyes would stop looking at me. And the words that you said last night, they will echo through my mind. Said they will echo.
Fashion Week is obviously over. I kind of was really bad this season in the sense that I had quite a few shows to go to, but I just decided not to go. And that's really not like me. Like, if you know me, I go through the London Fashion Week craze and I run around and I do every single thing that I can do during those 5 days. But this season, I feel like maybe I was a little bit over it. Maybe because it's just so cold outside. I was just like, you know what? I'm not waking up that extra hour earlier so that I can do this and that. And during London Fashion Week, I literally do no work whatsoever because I'm so busy running from one place to the next. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to do that this season. I'm going to create content during London Fashion Week for London Fashion Week. Just see how it goes. And so I took the Saturday off of London Fashion Week and I just shot my outfits. That would have gone up on Wednesday. So if you haven't seen it, I will link that down below. I'm super proud of that. I feel like we captured the whole London vibe and the whole London Fashion Week vibe. You may notice that I'm actually in some sportswear, which is so not me, but Murad have got an event today and it's like an exercise event, and I thought I'll bring you guys along with me because I think it's going to be funny to watch me try and do some exercise because I'm like the most unfit person ever. I just think it's going to be really funny. You know what's even funnier? I do not own any gym clothes. I've never bought gym clothes. I think the only things that I've ever bought are the leggings that I'm wearing, and they're like Adidas leggings and I wear them for like lounge wear. And this top was gifted to me from a brand when I was doing something with them. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. Here we go. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. With the gym class, and that was intense. I mean, I didn't work up a sweat because it wasn't that kind of thing. It was really cool. I really enjoyed it. Got some goodies and some snacks and a juice as well, which I'm gonna have on my way home now. But yeah, it was really fun. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you.
Scared of trying them, okay? Not everything I say is. And we're going to add a little bit of color. When I set up the camera, you can come and have a look how it looks on shot as well. So the trick is to add props. Like I said earlier, you're trying to tell a story instead of just focusing on this. Try to create some kind of story around it. So we got some of the fruit that we've used. We can use the cutlery on top of the plate instead of on the side. And I don't know, cup. Coffee next to it. You can see it.
Hello people! Don't worry anyone, this is completely hands-free. Camera is on a tripod. I'm not touching anything, so don't worry. Yeah, so today I went to this morning G-Film and the photography show event, which was a lot of fun actually. It was like a food styling photography course, workshop I'd say, actually not really a course. But it was really fun, honestly, because I'm not very good at taking flat lays, so like pictures of food and stuff. It was really fun to get like an expert's opinion and just see different ways to kind of style food. So I thought that would be really, really cool to go to. So I went, and the new cameras are incredible. Yeah, so that was a lot of fun, and a couple of my friends were there as well, which was really good. So we kind of just spent the morning chatting away, practicing on the workshop, taking photos, and then kind of run away to take some pictures for the blog and Instagram kind of thing. And then I kind of just chilled around Covent Garden because I was going to meet my friend Eleanor. I don't think I vlogged any of it because we haven't really sat down and had a catch up in a long time where it's just the two of us. So we went to lunch as it's her birthday on Saturday. I am feeling the pain from yesterday's workout. I'm in so much pain, honestly. I can't walk up the stairs. Everything is aching. Just currently on my way to my boyfriend's. We're gonna have dinner and chill for a bit. That is probably where I will be ending this vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video now because literally I have nothing else to talk about. So I'm just chatting rubbish, to be honest. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. If you have, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And give this video a like so that I know that you guys enjoy my vlogs. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!